Hey everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss regarding about the Palo Alto network overview. So, first of all, about Palo Alto networks, when you think about it, so Palo Alto Networks being a leading global cybersecurity company known for its next-gen firewall, or we can say next-generation firewalls, uh, products, cloud security products, AI driven threat intelligence, and various security automation products, right? So the company provides various security solutions for enterprises, governments, and service providers to protect the networks, to protect your endpoints and any cloud environments from any type of cyber threats. So if I want to make you with some key points, so let's draw that out. So first of all, Palo Alto Networks was founded in the year 2005. So the founded year was 2005. It is headquarters in Santa Clara, which is in California, USA, and the current CEO of Palo Alto Network is Nikesh Arora, and he is there since 2018. Uh, we normally say with the word called a stock symbol. The stock symbol represents as PANW, and it is represented in NASDAQ. All right, and the industry where Palo Alto Networks depends on or it's part of, it's cybersecurity, right? So the core business area, when you think about the core business area of Palo Alto, so Palo Alto Networks operates in three primary cybersecurity domains. Okay, so there are three primary cybersecurity domains. So first of all, the domain that you should be interested with, or you can say, is network security. So first domain where it operates its business portfolio is in network security domain, where it operates various next generation firewalls. We normally call them with the term as NGFWs, secure SD-WAN products, and zero trust networking solutions having zero trust architecture. Okay, the second most domain is into cloud security. So in cloud security, the goal of Palo Alto is to provide protection for multi-cloud environments, protection for multi-cloud environments like AWS, Azure, GCP, etc. And it is doing so using a product called as Prisma Cloud. Okay, and number three is security operations, also called as SOC. Security operations. So the SOC is basically, it's AI driven. So AI driven threat detection and automated response. Automated response products, and the various products which offers this solution under the SOC capability is via Cortex products, which is called as Cortex XDR, extended SOAR or expanded SOAR, XSOAR, and also XSIAM. XSIAM. All right. So these are, the various of business area, the core business area of Palo Alto, right? Now, regarding key products and services, so as we know, Palo Alto offers, various product and services. So if you think about any key products that Palo Alto offers and the various services that Palo Alto offers, first of all, the list will be huge. So the first product should know is it offers next gen firewalls, right? Also called, as I've told you, as next generation firewalls, NGFW, normally represented like that, NGFW with an S. And there can be various form factors for that. So you can have a physical firewall, right, which is hardware based, virtual form factor firewalls, which is a virtual, uh, that can operate in any virtualized platforms like VMware, or might be Citrix, or might be Eve, or any sort of virtualization platforms that is supported. And also you have got cloud based firewalls, cloud based, FW means firewalls. And the labels are normally are PA-series for hardware-based firewalls, VM-series for virtualized firewalls, and CN-series for cloud-based firewalls. Okay, so this is the term you should know. Yep. Then the next product and service what Palo Alto offers is Prisma Cloud. Prisma Cloud. Okay, so Prisma Cloud, it is classified under CSPM, which is called as Cloud Security Posture Management, and also classified with under CWP, which is Cloud Workload Protection. So it's classified under Cloud Security Posture Management, called as CSPM, and CWP, which is Cloud Workload Protection, that is CWP. All right, then the next product and service what it has is called as Prisma Access, which is a part of SASE solution, Secure Access Service Edge solution. So under which this particular product it finds its place under the concept of secure remote access, and zero trust network access, also called as ZTNA, zero trust network access, also called as ZTNA. And the current version of ZTNA is ZTNA 2.0. Okay, other product line are Cortex based product, which is Cortex XDR, which is basically an AI powered extended detection and response. That is the meaning of XDR, extended detection and response, for any advanced threat detection. Okay, next we have another product from Cortex domain, which is Cortex XOR, which is basically a security automation and orchestration platform. Security automation and orchestration platform, which is also called as SOAR, SOAR. Okay, and under Cortex umbrella you have got another solution called as XSIAM, which is an AI driven SIAM solution. So it is an AI driven SIAM solution for Security Operations Center, Operations Center, which is also called as SOC. Okay, so SOC people will be using, the SOC admins will be using this Cortex XSIAM solutions, right? And the third, the last but not the least, is Unit 42, which is nothing but a cyber threat intelligence and incident response service. Okay, so it's cyber threat intelligence and incident response service, right? Regarding its market position and innovation, so currently, if I have to write down the current market position and the innovation, so it is recognized as a leader in Gartner's Magic Quadrant for network firewalls from past 9 to 10 years, right? So leader in Gartner's Magic Quadrant for quadrant for network firewalls. Strong investments in AI-driven security, automation, and threat intelligence. And Palo Alto has acquired recently multiple companies, right? So it has acquired companies like Demisto, CloudGenix, Expanse, and generally the idea is to expand the SASE platform and AI security capabilities. All right. Now, if anyone has got a question like that, why we should choose Palo Alto Networks, so the answer is very obvious. Palo Alto Networks provide comprehensive security, comprehensive cyber security solutions, network security solutions across multitude environment of networks, multi-vendor cloud, and also with multi-vendor endpoint solutions, right? Palo Alto Networks has got AI-powered threat detection and automation response products. It follows zero trust security model for modern enterprises, and it offers scalable solutions for small business to any larger enterprise. All right. So if you look into the Palo Alto Networks website, that will also give you a better idea. So if I look into the Palo Alto Network web page over here, I just want to bring out the web page for all of you, which looks like that. All right. So yeah, so this is, normally you can type in paloaltonetworks.com in your browser, and you can see, you can read about this particular articles of Palo Alto, right? By hovering across its pages. So you can look into its dimensions of products, solutions, services, partners, about the company, and there are other resources and various connect options that you can do. And also you can request for free demos and free trials. You can find the contact information based on a location over there. What's new with Palo Alto, there is multiple blogs that you can find it out here. Yep, regarding products, when you see there are products based on different domains with respect to cloud delivery security services. There are various products line that is with respect to AI access security, advanced threat prevention, advanced URL filtering, whatnot, right? Advanced DNS security, wildfire, IoT, right? OT, SaaS security. Regarding next gen firewalls, the various platforms are AI runtime security, hardware firewalls, software firewalls, Strata cloud managers, SD-WAN for next gen firewalls, and PanOS and Panorama. Okay, for SASE platforms, it has got Prisma SASE, Prisma Access Browser, SD-WAN, SaaS security, and also autonomous digital experience management. Under cloud security, the various options for Cortex Cloud, application security, Prisma Cloud, you know, cloud posture security, runtime security. Under AI-driven SOC, all those Cortex components are over here, like XCM, XDR, XOR, Expanse, Unit 42, Managed XCM, etc. Right now, regarding solutions, also you can just go ahead and look into the various solutions support Palo Alto has into respective domains like network security, cloud security, security operations, various endpoint security, and various industries where it can find its solutions and offer its solutions to different types of environments, right? Services you can see about, you can assess like assess, respond, or transform. There are multiple domains by which it can offer different types of services. Regarding partners, you can look into that. Who are the service providers? Who are the solution providers? Global system integrators, next wave partner community, etc. Right? Yeah. So if you look into, let us say, a particular, let us say, product line, and let's say our course will be based on next gen firewalls, right? So in this particular video series, so we'll talk about the next gen firewalls with respect to Palo Alto certification is considered, with respect to PCNSA and PCNSE. So you'll be diving a lot into PCNSE table of contents, and you will be learning a lot of configurations and various implementations of Palo Alto network through its firewall capabilities, right? So if you want to do a deep dive of certain hardware firewalls models, you can come in here and click on this hardware firewall link, which will let you access the various security product solutions, right? So you can see over here um, that the hardware firewalls are classified into multiple categories like data center firewalls, campus firewalls, branch, industrial, remote office, and unified management. So according to your requirement, you can actually select anything. Let's say if I select for data center, then you can see that it has got various families like PA 7500, 7500. So it's being the world's largest, fastest, and uh, world's fastest and most scalable ML powered NGFW for enterprise scale organization. And you can see the various firewall families over here as well by clicking on this link, right? So you can see the various firewall series like PA7 7500 series, 7000 series, 5450 series, etc. Right? 3400, 1400 series, right? So you can see the various firewalls models listed here. For any of the required firewall that you're interested for, or might be you will be working on, let's say you can read the data sheet, and also you can read the hardware architecture or view the hardware architecture from this web page itself, right? So for example, let's say think about 7500 series. So I can go ahead and click on this data sheet. I can look for the hardware architecture right here. So I can download the data sheet exactly from here, and I can actually go through it, right? So I can read about the various specs, the key security and connectivity features. It's a full layer 7. It provides full layer 7 inspection. It has all the features of L4 as well. Yep. So you can see offer centralized management and visibility through panorama, right? And you can just go ahead and read this, right? The various features it provides. Okay, we can talk about the architecture. You have all this respective components and respective values that you find out over here. Likewise, if you look into the hardware architecture, so if you just click on this particular link, you can see the PA 7500 series, for example. um, Click on that, so it gives you a overall idea regarding the hardware architecture, regarding its management plane, regarding its data plane, regarding switching back plane, how the fabric is organized. Yeah, so you can actually go ahead and you can visit the web page, download the data sheet. You can read about the Palo Alto 7500 series, whatnot, right? and you can select from here the different model numbers that you're interested for as well. Okay, so I will not take much time over here. You guys can just take your free time and do some research and do some um, studies on this particular web page and find more about it, right? So I hope it is interesting, and I'll see you in the next lecture with the next topic. Thank you so much, and keep enjoying this particular series. Thank you.